To determine the focal length of a convex lens by focusing a distant object. Apparatus required. Double convex lens. Convex lens stand. Glass screen fitted with stiff white cardboard. Meter scale. Procedure. Locate some distant building or a tree from the window of your laboratory. Place the meter scale in the direction of the object. Place a convex lens duly mounted on a lens stand vertically along the meter scale such that the midpoint of its base is at 5 cm mark. Place the white screen behind the lens such that the base of lens stand and screen remain in line with scale. Move the screen backward or forward till a sharp, inverted and diminished image of the distant object is formed on it. Read and record the position of the lens and the screen by looking vertically down at the midpoint of their bases when a well-defined sharp image is formed on the screen. The distance between the position of the lens and screen is equal to the focal length of convex lens. Record the focal length of lens. Repeat the experiment by placing convex lens at 10 cm, 15 cm and 20 cm marks, and in each case record the focal length. Calculate the mean or average focal length from the data.